talent kasi I used to sing. Nagsasalita ko sa mga ano eh, Fiesta Queen.
Ayun. Sir Benny, paano niyo po nakilala si Isabel? Siya po ba lumapit sa inyo? O paano po, sir?
Siyempre, yung manager yung bata. So,
Oh,
and
si-
the manager si Odi. Yun naman, I worked with Odi for a long time. Marami ng artist yan na laging nilalapit sa akin every time they will be needing a song or i-produce yung artist. And nga pala, what we are launching today is not an album. We are launching a single. Yeah, just to clear.
Kumusta po si Isabel?
Well, siyempre, nag-uumpisa yung bata. Wala namang, kumbaga nag-uumpisa na 100% na magaling na. But may mga qualities ako na nakita, number one. Kasi importante pa rin na sinasabi ko, yung bata ang mayroong interest na gawin yung bagay na yun. Kasi hindi yung nanay, hindi yung tatay. Kasi sabi ko, pag nanay at saka tatay ang may gusto na kumanta yung anak, yung nanay na lang ang pangantayin natin, di ba? Di ba? Marang mali. So, and then tinignan ko yung bata, may dating siya. Beauty, she's beautiful, mahaba yung binga. Sabi ko, it's always, ito namang singing, ito namang recording is just a start na how we will be entering the music na industry. Kasi lagi kong sinasabi, yung isang hit song will bring you to the medyo level up kanya. Pag naka-hit song ka, you will be known. Maraming artists I work with, isang kanta lang yung kanta nila hanggang ngayon. 20 years ago, yung pa rin ang kinakanta nila na kumbaga tumatak at kumbaga because of the song, nagkaroon sila ng pangalan.
Salamat po. May tanong po si Kuya Don Cash.
Ako ba? Doon lang po. Ay, good afternoon po and congrats, Isa, no? Kapangalan ka ng bunso ko. Tanong ko po kay Mami at kay Mayor, ano pong klaseng suporta at payong binibigay niyo kay Isa na yung pumasok na siya sa showbiz?
Yung sa akin, the same pa rin. Dapat huwag niyang pabayaan ng pag-aaral niya. Yan yung very much important.
Sa akin naman, I always tell her na commitment. Na you cannot just back out in the middle of of everything. So when you said yes, it's really a yes. So if it's a no, then maybe we can think about it next time. Pero once na you're in, you have to do your best. So we always tell her to do her best all the time.
Kay Isa naman, Isa, anong napipil mo ngayon na eto na yun, na nilaunch na yung single mo, tapos makikilala ka na ng madla?
I'm really excited din naman po.
Tipid ha? So, Mami, kayo naman po, magkakaroon daw po ng music video to kay Sir Mayor. Meron po ba kayong suggestion na sino makakasama niya? Anong tipo ng music video ang gagawin para sa single ng Isa?
Pag-usapan natin, we have decided na gawin. Actually, ang music video napakaganda na tulong. Especially kasi makikita siya, magkakaroon ng lalong-lalo yung how we are promoting the song. But depende sa plano, siyempre. Makikinig ako kay Mayor at saka kay Mayora.
Actually, we're doing a music video. Siguro it will be released soon with the help of Sir Benny. And we got, ano ba? Should we call it? Yeah, ang lead, namin, the one supporting her, yung kasama niya, is also the son of the mayor of another town in Iloilo. So, like, we thought of like the pool of two towns, maybe would help her. So we were very thankful na they're very, supportive. Actually, the whole Iloilo province, very supportive of Isabel.
So, Isa, anong plano paano ipopromote yung single mo? Mag-iikot ka ba sa radio station? May mall show ba?
Siguro dapat si Odi ang tanungin natin niya. Kasi ito yung promotor nito. Ito yung mastermind. Halika dito at yung mga tanong dapat ikaw sumagot kasi
Actually,
may placement kami sa Mindanao, the whole of Mindanao. Usamis, Pagadian, Cagayan de Oro, and the other places in Mindanao. I-observe muna namin yung Mindanao, then next is we have in Manila, lahat na, down to Cebu, down to Iloilo. Okay.
Sabi nga, slowly but surely. No?
Thank you, Odi, and congratulations sa isa. Ang next na magtatanong, yung entertainment editor ng Abante Tonight, si Roldan Castro.
Kay Sir Benny, bakit ipinagkatiwala yung pangkantang Kaba kay Isabel na pinasikat talaga ni Tucci Guevara?
Kasi I suggest na mag-cover muna tayo kasi napakahirap for new artist na immediately tatalon tayo sa isang political song. Ang hirap mag-promote ng kanta ngayon. So if the song is already popular, that can be easily remembered by the listeners, di ba?
Correct.
And then at the same time, Kaba is bagets ang dating pa rin niya. Kasi the first version was recorded by Tenten Munoz, and then the second version was recorded by Tutsi Guevara. And then here we come, a different version, mas bata ang tunog niya. So, of course, may mga brainstorming kami, may mga tanungan kami, ano ba yung tingin natin na babagay kay Isabel. So, tinitingnan ko siya, ano ba yung, kasi lagi ko sinasabi, yung song is parang damit. Parang damit yan, kailangan pag sinuot mo, pag kinanta mo, bagay sa'yo.
Ayan. Pero Sir Benny, hindi kayo kinakabahan na ikumpara siya sa mga naunang may version ng kantang Kaba?
Hindi naman, kasi hindi natin dapat i-compare. Siyempre, of course, ako naman, I'm always excited working with a new artist. Kasi, siyempre, gusto natin makapagpasikat pa tayo ng mga new breed of artists. Mga bagets, ngayon, kasi uso ngayong banda. And pag napasikat ko siya, I always say na every time sa artist na nakatrabaho ko, she will be my living trophy.
Ayan.
Kasi, natulungan ko siya, di ba? Natulungan natin. So, tulungan natin yung bata, and sabi ko naman kay Mayora, this is a long journey. Hindi ito short distance na journey na pagkatapos nito, yun na, so mag-aaral siya magsalita, mag-aaral siya yung voice, yung dancing and everything. So lahat, personality development. Sabi ko, and then, ready naman sila and willing, the parents are willing to help the isa.
So sa inyo pong obserbasyon, kumusta yung version niya ng Kaba ni Isabel?
Iba. Completely iba doon sa Tenten Munoz, iba doon sa Tutsi Guevara. Ito mas happy, youthful. Yan.
Yan, Isabel, ang reaction mo na ikaw ang nag-revive ng kantang Kaba?
Na-shock din naman po ako kasi alam naman natin lahat na Kaba isa siyang iconic song na kinompose pa ni Sir Benny.
Mm-hmm. Yun lang. Anyway, kay Mayor at kay Mayora, siyempre teenager na si Isabel. Saan po kayo kinakabahan sa kanya? Sa pagpasok niya sa showbiz?
Actually, hindi ko na-expect na papasok ko sa showbiz.
Opo.
Because our family has been in politics, and we control the leadership of our town for almost 7 decades since it was founded in 1969. My grandfather was the first mayor and founder of the town, and then my father was the mayor, and then my uncle, and then my brother, and then I was the one lately that was elected as mayor. And we are into public service, not show business or entertainment business. And my wife is in the academe. He owns a school, a private school, Centerfield Montessori, which caters to preschool up to senior high school education. And we have a branch in Iloilo and in Bacolod City. But we are very much honored that Isabel signed a contract with a legendary and multi-awarded composer. Dati, maririnig ko lang at makikita sa TV and sa news. But ngayon, I never imagined that my daughter will be working with such a very popular person. So we are very much happy and honored for
Thank
that.
you, Mayor. Thank you. Thank you for the trust.
Ngayon, saan ka kinakabahan sa pagpasok sa showbiz? Baka dumari maniligaw ni Isabel.
Si Isabel, ako she's very grounded. She's very grounded. Mas kinakabahan ako sa ano, kasi very generous also, parang politiko. Mas kinakabahan ako sa pera na mawawala sa
Ay, Isabel, nandito lang kami ha. Tarot.
No, I mean, seriously, she's very nice. Parang there's nothing in her that I see na kakabahan ako. Kasi they're very grounded. Tsaka they know the rules. Tsaka hindi naman din sila, she's just a regular teenager. Na hindi siya yung mahilig lumabas, she's at home. Very, very homebody and just very nice. Pinalaki ng lola, my mom is also here. So.
Thank you po. Ang susunod po na magtatanong, ang maganda, bata sariwa, ang binansyo.
Ay, talaga.